they calling me an alien, a big-headed astronaut. Maybe it's because your boy Yeezy get ass a lot. You're so